that you didn't know. It's about a girl that you didn't see. Tell you a story that you didn't know. It's about a girl that you didn't meet. No. She started the journey and she didn't know. She started a path never lit before. Still she used that light until the end. No, it didn't matter, she knew she restored. No, she did survive. Little birds grow bigger and leave the nest. She left her home and she faced the challenges. Little birds grow bigger and leave the nest. She left her home and she faced the challenges. And oh, she did survive. Your thoughts turn the fire off. Now see through her eyes. Don't push her down, push her up. Turn the fire off. Now see through her eyes. Don't push her down, push her up. Embrace her light. Hell was a small word to what she lived. She carried a stone as if it was the last. To everyone out there she sends her respect. No, she don't wanna go back, it was so bad. No, she did survive. Your thoughts turn the fire off. Now see through her eyes. Don't push her down, push her up. Embrace her light. Your thoughts turn the fire off. Now see through her eyes. Don't push her down, push her up. Embrace her light. 'Cause little birds, oh, little birds grow bigger and leave the nest. She left her home and she faced the challenges. And oh, she did survive.